So the first one is, what is an egg and why is it so miraculous?
Okay.
So each of you grab that. Don't put it in a hand. No, don't pull it out.
Oh,
don't put it in a hand with a ring, but try to break it with your hand. Try to squeeze it with a hand that doesn't have a ring.
Oh, without a ring.
Yeah. They're very hard to break, right?
Oh my goodness, it's amazing.
It's nature's miracle. Basically, it's built not to break. That's why the mama birds can sit on them and nothing happens, right? But the second you apply any asymmetrical pressure on it, like a ring, it'll smash, right?
Okay.
So that's the first cool thing about eggs. They are just the most remarkable things. So you can't really bounce it with the shell, because if you throw it on the table, it's going to go psh, right? Then actually, let's try that. So we just go like that. Ooh, see?
Good thing it's in the
Right,
baggie.
but,
Yeah, that thing cracked.
What you can do,
mess.
I talk all the time about acid-base reactions, right? So you can use a really cool acid-base reaction to dissolve the shell around your egg, and all you're left with is the membrane, and all of a sudden it's bouncy. So that's what this is. This is going to feel to you like a hard-boiled egg, but it's not. That's a raw egg, and I dissolve the shell.
Oh my goodness! It's
So-
just the weirdest sensation
It is
to
the
feel
weirdest,
that.
freakiest feeling, and
It's so mushy.
Thin silver putty.
And it's
You can
gotten a
feel
little
that
bit
yolk,
warm,
yeah.
so it's not nearly as bouncy as it was when I first pulled it out. But basically, do this at home. All you want to do is you want to throw an egg. Let me pull one of my. This is a hard-boiled egg. You want to throw it into a container and just submerge it in vinegar.
Okay.
And this, you'll see the bubbles will start to form right away. Because
Now it's starting to smell like Easter around here.
because you've got this acid-base reaction going on. What's happening is the vinegar is an acid, and the shell of the egg is it's calcium basically. It's a lot of calcium. The two will interact, and it will start to dissolve. Okay, but here's what's really cool. So yesterday I was getting ready for this experiment, and I went, 4 days, I'm going on TV tomorrow. Ruh-roh, what am I going to do? Because this is acetic acid, and it's not a very strong acid. So I started looking around my house for a stronger acid, because I knew I had to have something. Turns out Lysol toilet bowl cleaner has hydrochloric acid in it. I know.
Oh my!
So kids like sort of an instant thing. Throw your egg. Do not eat it. But throw your egg into some Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, and it will dissolve the shell in like 2 hours.
Oh boy!
Yeah.
Well, after
Really
your baby's born, you're gonna have to get stuff like that out of the way.
Yes, that will be under lock and key. Don't let your kids play with this, or you could do the two side by side, and you can see the bubbles already forming.
This is supervised.
If you throw an egg in this, you will immediately get a psst, like a fizz, almost like a volcano.
Yeah, I remember sulfuric acid from the lab at chemistry class back in high school.
Well, you wouldn't believe the chemicals in your house, but anyway, okay.